Hi, welcome to my channel. It is Yvonne here. If this is your first time following me, I usually do Goodwill bin hauls when I can, and I go to thrift stores, yard sales. I look for items to mostly keep, but sometimes I do find something I want to resell in the realm of a handbag, accessory. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff, just a bunch of stuff in my closet here. I am going to be selling something that is down there eventually, so you want to keep eye on that. It'll be on my either Poshmark or eBay. I'm not sure which one. But Poshmark and eBay, I am under @OTKitTheGirl or jcfhtrl, and under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on Instagram if you want to follow me on there. And today I'm coming at you with a video of some samples that I got, because I also like getting free things, free samples in the mail. It's just something I just always am on the look for, have been forever, I feel like. And so, yeah, I got some free things in the mail. So let's just turn over this way. And hopefully you can't hear the music outside, because there's music that I'm playing, but I don't think you can hear it. So this is what I got. I got these two little envelopes. So let me go ahead and open them. I'm just going to kind of put the phone down here, because honestly, I cannot open them, you know, and film at the same time. And I'm holding my phone with my actual, I'm just holding my phone with my hand, because it just makes it easier for me. I'm also cleaning up my room here, so that's why I have a lot of stuff everywhere. Okay, let me see. Let me get this open a little bit more, because it is just like, okay, so there we go. How is everybody doing today? It's a good day here today in Texas. It's going to be very, it has been very warm. And right now it's going to rain today, apparently after like 3 o'clock, they say. I don't know if my area is going to get rain, but that's what they've been saying. So who knows? All right. Okay. Oh, okay. So first off, let's see, I got it out already. First off, we have this. This is the L'Oreal Revival Triple Power. Really nice. This is Evelyn Goria on the cover here, showing you that you can look just as gorgeous as her. So there's that. So yeah, I got this. This is great to try. I actually do need like a cream. I haven't bought any cream for my face as of lately, so that works out. I can just use that and use what I'm using right now is like a sunscreen cream. So that's different. And this, okay, this is the pasta for more sauce, grip, more love. Oh, right. This is from the Albronzo Barilla pasta from Barilla Pasta. I love that. I love pasta. So let's see. This is a bronze cut method, creating a uniquely porous surface that effortlessly clings to every drop of sauce. This is probably good for some mac and cheese, right? Because, I mean, talking about sauce, you can make some good mac and cheese with this. And here we go. We have a creamy veggie sauce fusion recipe, a smoky amatricana sauce. All right. We have the capon down here, and then we have the Albronzo with lamb brigade. And then, of course, the capon for the free pack of the Barilla Albronzo package, which is great because my mom will get that when she goes to the store next time. So that's great to have. So thank you, Barilla, for that. I wasn't expecting that. I don't remember how I signed up for that, but yeah, apparently I did. All right, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I have just a bunch of stuff that I'm going through right now. And yeah. All right, well, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.